Alrighty, Chef Buck here. Today we're going to cook up a little bit of rice and some edamame, some shelled edamame. You know, when you take it out of the shell, you know, they want to call it Mukimame. So make sure when you buy your little bag, it's shelled because it'll be easier. Heat you up some olive oil on medium-high heat. Doesn't have to be this hot. Camera girl's being a little bit pyrotechnic here, but that's alright. You know, throw in some finely chopped garlic and ginger. Stir that around for a minute or two. We're going to get some nice color on here. And then we're going to go ahead and set it aside. You know, once you start smelling that great ginger and garlic smell, once it's got a little bit of color on there, set it aside. Then we're going to take some water and throw it in the same pot. You know, we're not going to clean the pot or anything. Just throw it in there. Bring your water up to a bubble. Then salt your water if you like. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of long grain brown rice. You know, this is the only kind of rice we use with this dish. You know, because you want it to be healthy, right? So don't do white rice with this, you know, because then it's probably going to be too sticky anyway if you use white rice. So use long grain brown rice, simmer it for about a half hour on low, and while that's happening, we'll throw together this sauce. A little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice, some vinegar, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and just a itsy bitsy teeny weeny tiny bit of sugar. Stir it around till the sugar dissolves, and then, you know, go watch some YouTube videos or do some sit-ups, you know. And then when the half hour is up, boom, your water will be absorbed, and we can throw in our thawed mukimame, you know. Then go ahead and stir that up, and we're still leaving it on low heat. We haven't turned the heat off, but we're gonna mix in these beans with the rice, throw the lid back on here, and then let it sit for about another 15 or 20 minutes, you know, until this mukimame is heated through, and you know the rice is done to a doneness that you feel is done, right? So then go ahead and stir it up, and then we'll throw our final ingredients in here. We're gonna put a little bit of what? It's our garlic and ginger that we browned up earlier. That's gonna go in the pot. We're gonna throw in some cilantro. You know, the more garlic, ginger, and cilantro you put in there, the better. You know, some chopped up green onions, a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. We always keep a little jar of toasted sesame seeds in our cabinets for just whatever the hell. And then we're gonna throw our liquid in here and go ahead and get that all stirred up. Now there's soy sauce in the liquid, you know, and then we also salted our rice. So, you know, there's kind of like a little bit of salt in here, but go ahead and give it a taste. You know, add a little more salt and pepper if you think it needs it. But that's it. You know, it's a super duper delicious dish. You can eat it warm, just right here out of the pot. It's fantastico. You know, great with fish, great with meatloaf, whatever the hell you want. And it's super duper cold. You know, if you got any left over, put it in the fridge. You can just pull it out, eat it like a coleslaw or potato salad. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit.